Welcome back, everybody. Today's job at hand is to make a mess. Change an oil line. Alright, so today's job should be pretty straightforward. It's just two oil line connections. It's going to be really tough to see, but there's one that goes to the oil filters, and there's one behind it that went to the coolers. Just have a 3/4 inch wrench to get the flare nuts off. So I already took it off this end here, and there's the mess. For the marine power motors, this one was a 19-inch line from the oil filter adapter to the cooler. I was able to order this for about $50, and it's already ready to go. The old line was actually leaking from here, so I guess the crimp was failing. It wasn't leaking at the flare, so just went ahead and got a new line, and probably could have had one made cheaper local, but this fits the part number and it shipped to my door in 2 days. Okay, so we're back on the boat getting ready to replace the oil line for the starboard motor between the oil filter outlet and the seawater to oil cooler. So this is the hose I ordered from Marine Power. As you can see, this hose is a 19-inch, nope, definitely not 19-inch hose. So this was too long, and I couldn't kink it or bend it to put it anywhere, to fit without, it wasn't going to be the correct length. As you can see, I had a hose made. Since this is an engine oil line, I figured 5,000 psi should be more than sufficient. The reason it is what it is because Eaton only had these inverted male flare fittings. Not going to focus. And that's all the shop had. And this is the line that they could use with it. It's still 1/2 inch, so I don't see any issue with flow or anything like that. So they're still pretty much have the same ID, so I'm not too worried about that. Should be good to go there. It's just it's a thicker OD line, so, and it's definitely stiffer, but it's a really straight run, so we shouldn't have any issue there. I just have the correct length now, so let's go slap this on. And this is the oil line that came from the oil filter adapter down and up to the oil cooler. Then from the cooler it goes to the filters, and then from the filters into the engine. So down here in the engine room, have the fitting there, and it runs back to the oil adapter. Let's see, get you in there. It's somewhere back there. It's gonna be hard to get the camera in there. It's pretty tight, like most things are on the boat to work with. 3/4 inch wrench and shove this little hose on there. Yeah. All right, got the new line put in. Yeah, it's tough to get on camera, but new hydro line is in for the oil. Let's fire it up. We're good to go. Alright, well, we got both engines running. The starboard one doesn't leak oil anymore, at least for now, so that's a good thing. So yeah, we'll call this project done and on to the next one. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Tell me what I'm doing wrong, tell me what I'm doing right, and maybe we'll do some other boat work in a future video that y'all suggest. Take care, Happy New Year, and see you back in 2023.